So, um, volunteering. I'm making a video on volunteering. So, um, first of all, this first quote. This is Aristotle. Um, what is the essence of life? The essence of life, to serve others and do good. And then Gandhi had a quote too. Um, Here it is. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. So, and then says like, the Son of Man came to serve, not to be served. So even the Son of Man came to serve. Um, so yeah, I've been volunteering for the last 4 months almost, and every day pretty much, and I'm like, this has been great, great like perspective shift. I mean, I even wanted to like, for a while I was thinking, man, I might open up my own food bank or whatever. But I was like, I'm gonna just keep going, serving here, figure out what's up, and um, you know, we'll see what happens. I don't know I still don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna keep serving, man. Like, this has been some of the greatest times in my life, serving. Such a good community of people, um, and you know, people people need help. Like, it's real. Like, I it's such a blessing to be able to help and serve in that way. And I've had good conversations. Like, I've had like I feel like I'm kind of on a mission. Like, it's kind of like, man, I'm on a mission trip when I'm there. Like, I'm like, just, it's it's serving, and it's really like people are so appreciative of it, especially when you bring out their food to their car and stuff, and you like take out the boxes and put it in their car. That's like even more like, okay, I get to talk to them more and stuff, and it's pretty cool, man. Um, I've gotten to know the workers, some of them, um, but those quotes alone, like, uh, what is the essence of life? To serve and do good, and how do you find yourself? By losing yourself in service to others. So it's like, I think that's great, and I think I really found like, kind of. I feel like I feel like that rings true to me. Like I feel like after volunteering for 3 months, 4 months, or whatever, um, it's like I'm like, okay, I want to do something that helps other people if I can. I mean, I don't want to have expectations like, oh, I have to like help other people. Like, it has to be this big old grand thing, purpose thing, where it's like it has to like help other people get saved or get food. But it makes me realize what's important, like serving other people, and like, um, I don't know. I enjoy it, and it's a lot better than just doing social media all the time. Like, still doing social media. Obviously, I'm doing social media right now, but I mean, like, I'm doing more just out of like, I'm doing it as a hobby more. I'm not doing it like hundreds, like 100-hour weeks or whatever. Like, I was doing, or whatever. I was just doing it like all out. Like, but then I'm like, okay, that didn't really like make me feel any better. Like, I was just like, yeah, I was getting popular and stuff, but I was like, this isn't really, like, this is taking me down a dark path, really, like, dark in multiple ways. I can talk about it more. Anyways, but volunteering, it's great. Um, it's got a lot of benefits. Met a lot of cool people there so far, like, a lot of cool people. Like, looking back, I'm like, wow, I met a lot of people, but um, you know, good community. serving people closest to you. Like, I feel like it's preparing me to be able to do what's next. So we'll see. But if you want to volunteer in your own community, try it out. It's amazing. Like, um, if you already have, then keep going or whatever. But I think it's great. I think I never really done it this much, and I'm like, I feel like great about it, to be honest.